Okay, I'm going to do a short little video here on this HOUSNAT meat grinder. I'm not going to go into great depth or anything. I just want to show some of you how this grinds meat. Seems to be good. I did one round steak. This is what I mainly got it for, is to make hamburger with. I'm going to get this out of the way. But anyway, it does other things like they grind cheese or shred up cheese or lettuce, make coleslaw and all sorts of different things. It does quite a bit, but I'm just going to show the meat part of it for now. Got your power on. And then you got reverse. Check it out. So just brown steak. It's pretty good. Goes pretty fast. I'm not used to this electric ones. I'm used to the little hand crank ones. Anyway, you can see how it works anyway. Seems to work pretty good. That's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching.
So a quick update. I used this for the second time and look at the motor grease. As soon as I unplugged it, it went right into the sauce and just ruined, I don't know, about maybe 100 tomatoes. So don't get it. Look at that. That's motor oil. That's something leaking inside. The liquid's going inside and it's horrible. That'll probably toxic.
It will start staining after a couple wash like this. This is all stain. This is not dirt. It looks like a dirt, but it's stained. No matter what you do, it doesn't go away. And it is all over these metals. And I'm 100% sure this is harmful. And Amazon has to ban this product. This is like really bad. This is not normal thing you can use for your food.